Gretzky, 2-0 Blues.
This is one of the better passing sequences you're going to see here. It comes across, it'll go down to the goal line, and then finds him through the middle, and he puts it up. He has a presence of mind. Looks like the puck might be on the edge to give him a little bit of help. Oh, man. Plus, he had no chance on that one.